Touch the cloud. One cloud. Find the giant bean. One giant bean.
Touch the giant's foot.
One foot. One bird. Touch the castle. One castle. Touch the dragon. One dragon. One tree. One. This is number 1. Find a pair of gloves. 2 gloves is a pair of gloves.
Find the slippers.
2 slippers is a pair of slippers. Find 2 dogs. 1. 1. 1. 2 dogs.
Find 2 cats.
1. 2 cats.
Find the balls.
2 balls. Find the pair of shoes. A pair of shoes.
Find 2 cars.
1. 2 cars. 2. This is number 2. Touch the fish. 1, 2, 3 fish.
How many clouds can you see?
1, 2, 3 clouds. How many mountains can you see? 1, 2, 3 mountains.
How many trees can you see?
1, 2, 3 trees. 3. This is number 3. How many trees can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 trees.
Count the rabbits.
1, 2, 3, 4 rabbits. How many snowballs are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 snowballs.
Touch the wolves.
How many eagles can you see? How many eagles can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4 eagles.
How many clouds are there?
1, 2, 3, 4 clouds. 4. This is number 4. How many seagulls are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 seagulls.
Count the portholes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 portholes.
Find the 5 fish.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tentacles. 5. This is number 5. Count the jellyfish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 jellyfish.
How many striped fish can you see?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 striped fish. Count the anemones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 anemones.
How many pink fish can you see?
6 pink fish. How many arms does the starfish have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The starfish has 6 arms. Touch the sharks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sharks. 6. This is number 6. How many palm trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 palm trees. Count the umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 umbrellas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 balls. Count the beach towels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 seashells. Count the beach towels. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beach towels. How many red flowers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red flowers.
How many parrots are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parrots. How many white flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 8. This is number 8. How many red flowers can you see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 red flowers.
How many parrots are there?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parrots. How many white flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8. This is number 8. How many rocks are there? 9 rocks. Count the bats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9 bats. Make the whistling snakes whistle. Nine whistling snakes.
Find the stalactites.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 stalactites. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Ah, a 9-eyed monster. 9. This is number 9. Touch all the stars and leave 0 stars. Zero is nothing. 0. This is number 0.